What is archiving? So if I want to move all of these files and directories to a remote system, so how can I move it? Can I move it individually, or can I pack them into a single file and move them? So the second one is a good option. So if you have only two files, three files, or three directories, that's fine. But if you got hundreds of files, hundreds of directories, how are you gonna move them? So you can just simply pack them into a one file. So that's what we call archiving. So we can use tar for that in Linux. So if I want to archive all of these files in a single file, what I can do, tar space cf, then give it a name for your tarball. So backup.tar, then the files or directories you want to archive. So in this case, I want to archive all of these files and directories. So I'm going to put asterisk. That's a wildcard. So if I do ls-l, now I could see backup.tar file. So if you want to add one more file or directory to this tar file, how are you going to do? For instance, I'm going to create a file 3. So if I want to add this file 3 to this tar file, what we can do, tar, then rf, so that's gonna append it, then give the tarball name, in this case backup.tar, and the file or directory name that you want to append. So if you want to check files inside this tar file without extracting them, so let me remove these files. Then okay, now I do have only one file. So if you want to look into this tar file without extracting, what you can do, tar tf, then give that file name. So I could see these files and directories it got. So if I do ls now, I didn't extract it. If you want to extract it, what you can do, tar xf, then give the tarball name. So if you do ls over here, now you got all of these files over here. So if you want to extract these files to a specific folder, what you can do, because whenever you run this command, it's going to extract those files in the current directory only. So if I want to extract these files into other directory, what you can do, let me check /tmp directory. So I don't have anything in it. So if you want to extract this to a specific directory, what you can do, just add -c, capital C, and give the directory path. So if you do ls-l under /tmp, now you got all of these files over there. Okay, if you do ls-l, let's do lh. So you can check that this tarball has 10 kb. So it's not an ideal way to, because even if you compress it, it's gonna reduce. You can reduce this file size dramatically. So that way you can move files around easily. Let's do that. So what I'm gonna do, uh, let me remove this tar backup.tar. So if I do ls now, so if you want to pack them in a single file, at the same time you want to compress it, because earlier you did it got 10 kb 10 kilobyte size. So if you want to tar it and at the same time compress it, what you can do, tar, you can do zcf space, give that your tarball file name and the files you want to archive. So in this case I want to archive everything. So if I do ls-l now you can see it's just 187. Let me do ls-lh. So it's just 187 bytes. It seems it just reduced the size of the file dramatically. So this way you can compress. Thank you for watching.